G'day, I'm Livio from Boss Attachments. I'm here today to talk to you about the OSA Demolition range of product that we have. So we'll start with the OSA FPV30 pulverisers. OSA make a range of pulverisers to suit all sorts of excavators. This one here is predominantly for a 35 tonne excavator, weighs 3 tonne, and interchangeable teeth. We've got rebar cutters, 4-way indexable, hell of a lot of power. The FPV pulveriser is more suited as a secondary demolition. Basically, if you've got concrete on the ground and you want to de-size it, bring it down in size. Then if you want to go to primary demolition, you need to look at something like the MC series, which I'll take you over to in a minute and explain more about that. What makes this one a very popular unit, it's got an appetite of just over 1 metre. It'll open up. It's got 340 tonne of crushing force at the hinge, 120 tonne at the tip, which is basically the most common part of the pulveriser that works. So effectively, there's not much concrete out there that this thing won't chop up. We've got a reverse cylinder, speed valve, extremely strong and durable. These are, without a doubt, one of the most popular models we sell. So what we have here is our MC7. This unit's good for about 8 tonne excavators. This actual unit's been sold, as you can see, to Demex Demolition. What makes these so attractive is that you can change the jaws. Today it's a concrete cutter, tomorrow it could be a steel shear, and the next day it can be a pulveriser. Very similar to the primary pulverisers. Got full rotation, unbelievable unit, a lot of power, very fast, and again, got a massive appetite for such a small unit. These are extremely popular on 8 tonne excavators where they do a top-down demolition. Basically, lift a small excavator top of the building and start munching and bring it down. So you've only got a very small excavator with a tool that's doing the same work of what would generally go on a 40 tonne excavator. This thing here will run a 400 thick suspended slab, and it'll eat through it like it was butter. We've probably sold in excess of 30 or 40 units to primary demolition companies throughout Australia. So basically, if you've got a demolition company and you want to downsize a building and drop it hard and fast, this is a unit for you. Here we have the OSA GR10, which is perfectly suited for a 14 tonne excavator. In Europe, this style of grapple is extremely popular, but the Aussies are slowly catching onto it. It's an awesome way to move product very fast and effectively. From demolition, you can rotate this thing, you can pick up the smallest item to the biggest item. We're finding now that demo guys are really jumping onto this product, and we get more and more of them out. I think till date we've probably placed close to 50 or 60 units, and they're been amazing. Traditionally, you know, they use a mechanical grab. That's just basically a grab that just works in one direction. You're limited in where you can be, but with this unit, it doesn't matter where the excavator's sitting, whether you're picking up something that's vertical or horizontal. You've got 360-degree rotation, so there's not much that you can't pick up with this unit. Increasing productivity of one of these in your excavator, you're looking at least 50 to 60%, but more so, you're now doing a much cleaner job, especially when you're separating concrete from steel, from aluminium, from non-ferrous metals. It's very easy to select them and make your separate piles, which is a huge advantage in a controlled demolition environment. These units here, we've got them from a little 5 tonne excavator right up to a 100 tonne excavator. So it doesn't matter which machine you've got, they've got a unit that'll suit you. The LIV series is a product that was designed in Australia by Kevin Curran, formerly from Ironbark. We've bought the patents for the product. We've sent it off to Italy and had the Italians to build this for us. The only key difference we've done is basically just put a bigger cylinder in it. This unit is an absolute weapon in tree destruction. Basically, it's got a huge mouth opening of 1200. It'll cut through a 1200 diameter log, no worries at all. You've got the beak here that if you want to split a tree that's 2 metres diameter, that'll bite in it, that'll split it. Any Australian hardwoods, no problems at all. There's 2 models, the LIV 15 and the LIV 20, which basically cover the whole range from 20 tonne diggers up to 45 tonne. So that's just a quick overview of some of the items in the OSA demolition range. For more information on the products that I've just showed you here today and any more of the great products they make, look us up at www.bossattachments.com.au or give us a call and we're happy to look after you.